everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is meant by sound. Sound is a form of energy that is produced when the air molecule vibrates in a particular pattern. It's called wave. Hence, the sound is a wave. The vibration can be described as the back and forth motion of an object. Depending upon the vibration, the sound is produced. Without the vibration, the sound cannot be produced. The importance of sound. The sound is used to communicate from one person to another person. And the second one, which is used to give alert to the people by pressing horn. And it is entertaining us like TV, radio and music. The sound can be produced when beating, tapping, when scratching, when clapping our hands, when tearing the papers. Based on the vibration, the musical instruments also can be classified into many different categories. The first one is wind instrument. The wind instrument, any musical instrument that uses air as the primary vibrating medium for the production of sound. For example, clarinet and flute. Second one is percussion instruments. The percussion instruments refer to a musical instruments sounded by striking, scraping or shaking against another similar instruments. For example, tabla, piano, drums. The third one is string instrument. The string instrument is an instrument that produces sound from vibrating strings when the performer plays. For example, veena, violin. Propagation of sound through a medium. Propagation is nothing but travel. Sound always requires a medium to travel from the source of its production to the receiver end. Different mediums of propagation of sound are air, liquid and gases. Sound cannot travel through a vacuum as it lacks any medium of transmission. How sound travels in a medium? Sound needs some vibration of molecules to travel from one place to another place. The solids, liquids and gas all have molecules present in them which allow the propagation of sound. The propagation is nothing but travel. These molecules in solids, liquids and gases are packed in various ways. For example, if you take solid, in solid, the particles are tightly packed. They allow fast propagation of sound through them, as the vibrations can be carried easily from one particle to another. In liquids, the liquids have slightly loosed pack. Hence, it takes a little time for sound to travel in water or through liquid. Gases have completely loosely packed particles and hence sound takes the most time in traveling through the air. The next topic is, how do humans produce sound? Human beings have a voice box or larynx which is present in the throat on the upper side of the windpipe. The larynx has two vocal cords which have a narrow slit between them so that air can pass through it. Narrow slit is nothing but the small hole. It is a small gap between them. As the lungs throw the air out of the windpipe. It passes through the slit and hence allows the production of sound as the vocal cords start vibrating. The vocal cord muscles also play a role in the production of sound. Their laxness and tightness describe the quality or type of voice a person has. The vocal cords in males are of length 20 millimeter and females have 15 millimeter long vocal cords. Children, on the other hand, have very short length vocal cords. Hence, the voices, their quality, and their type are always different in women, men, and children.